Hey, so welcome to my site. The name of my site is Speech Therapy 101, and here on my homepage we're just going to see just an intro of what the site's going to be about. It's going to have multiple resources about speech therapy and pediatric therapy and just a bunch of information about that. Here is my biography, and this page just has a picture of myself and then some information about my background, why I became interested in studying speech therapy, my past experiences, and all of that. Next, we're going to go to my resources page, and here you will find a bunch of resources and sites and links to click on about speech therapy and pediatric therapy, all that stuff. You can just scroll through that. Next, we're going to go to my personal choices, which are my personal choices of websites and good links to go to and resources. And next, under my technology projects, on the home page, we have two just thematic slideshows, and that's that. And then next, under technology projects, we have my digital story, which I did on AAC devices, and that's just a video about all the information on AAC devices. Next, we have my PLN and PLE page, which PLN stands for Personal Learning Network, and PLE stands for Personal Learning Environment, and just some information on that. And underneath, I did reflections on blogs, creation tools, and microblogs, and you can just click on these links to see those reflections. Next, we have my website evaluation page, and I chose the website from Brain, and this is just my eval on it. You can go through that. Next, under technology projects is mobile app, and I had the mobile app book creator. And this is just going to be a Google slide about all the information of Book Creator and what it's about. And then under evaluations, you can click the Apple Teacher Certification, and here's my badges for completing that. And then next you'll have the Screencast, which is this. And then at the bottom of the website is my tech blog. And this is my blog about my speech therapy and all the information. And here we have two posts about copyright information. You can read that to find out any information about copyright and its usage. And then we're going to have a post about wikis and how to use that in a classroom and incorporate that. And that is my website.